the positive and negative. And then for the battery test, we're going to put this amp clamp around the negative cable of the tester. And so the next thing is it shows us amps and volts. We need 12.4 or above to do an accurate test. This is 12.246, so 12.6. This right here is important because you can see this changes some things here. This little knob. So we want to put it on starting for the battery and starting test. This one is charging. There's a rectifier test that you can manually energize the alternator, and then this is a diode test to see if it's producing AC instead of DC. For the purpose of your labs, you'll use the starting with the battery test and the starting test. The next thing is we look at the co-cranking amps on the battery. It's 640 co-cranking amps. So we're going to put a load of half the co-cranking amps on the battery with this tester. How do I do that? I twist this dial. Okay. This is a carbon pile, and it will produce a nice little load thing right here when I turn this dial. How long do I hold it for? 15 seconds. So I'm going to apply a load of about 320, about the best that I can get, 320. And that's where this is picking it up. This amp probe is picking up the amp draw. If I don't have this on here, it knows nothing. That's why this is important. Okay? So that's why I have to put that on the tester to see the amps. And now I'm going to put an amp draw of about 320 and hold it for 15 seconds. I'm monitoring the value of the voltage for that 15-second time frame. This is going to get hot because I'm putting a load on it. As long as it stays above 9.6 volts, I'm fine. But I have to repeat the test twice. So I went 15 seconds, and I'm going to rest for 15 seconds. Then I put another load for another 15 seconds. If it drops below the magical number again of 9.6, then the battery is bad. If it stays above 9.6 for the point of 15 seconds on the second load, I am good. So this battery then went back to 12 volts. That simulated the starting system, cranking the engine over for about 30 seconds. That's a big load. This battery, according to what we did, checks out good. Okay?